What is going on? I'm back with another one. And today we have the Nike Air Force 1 Mid, Off-White's SP leather. This is the box it comes in, bricked before it left the factory. I have to say though, the tissue paper? Better than the entire box in my opinion. Although the box is very cool, I think the tissue paper is a lot cooler. Not sure if you guys noticed, I'm back on my speech synthesis. I just didn't have the time to record today. I'm sorry, G. Anyways, guys, here are the sneakers themselves. My first impressions would be heavy, very heavy indeed. I don't remember the mids being this heavy, to be honest. I don't have a pair to compare either. The leather, though, crazy. The entire sneaker is just leather. Nothing but leather anywhere and everywhere, except the thin stripe on the heel tab. The first two Off-White Air Force Ones didn't do so well, unfortunately. They didn't sell out, nor did they shoot up in value since last year. These, however, have done better when it comes to sales. Only 2 sizes are available at the time I'm making this video, and a few other retailers also only have 1 or 2 sizes available. I'm not sure if this has anything to do with this one being a full leather sneaker, or the cactus that's on the side of this sneaker, or it could simply be because of the colorway. People seem to dig all green and white sneakers for some reason. Just looking at this, you can clearly tell it's an off-white sneaker. The orange tab is a dead giveaway. The exposed stitching on the swoosh. Who could forget the famous zip tie? Not to mention the overly large text on the medial side. Did we almost skip the shoelaces writing on the shoelaces? Almost. I didn't buy the first 2 when they came out, purely because of the spikes. I just do not like the way they look. I went for these because my curiosity got the best of me and I copped. Without hesitation. It's just overdone in my opinion. The spikes, the double lacing. A little more minimal would have been fantastic. These could have done so well on the resale market. To sum it all up, it's heavy. It's overcrowded in terms of design and aesthetics, and the spikes. Those fucking spikes. Anyways, guys, that's it from me for today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section, and I will see you bitches on the next one.